Hi, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C++ programming. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn about the automatic type deduction using the auto in C++. This automatic type deduction is a new feature added in this C++ 11 standard. You guys can declare a variable or an object without specifying its specific type by using the auto. So normally when we create variables, first we need to specify the type of data that we're gonna store in that variable. For example, if we were gonna create an integer variable, we were writing like int, then the variable name age equal to 10. But here, if we use this auto, then you guys don't need to specify the data type here. So what we guys need to do is we need to write auto, then the variable name, and then assigning the value. So the type of this variable age, which is declared with auto, is deduced from its initializer. So when we initialize the value to this variable, the type of this variable age will be deduced by the compiler. That's why this initialization is must. So we can't only write only auto age and then we initialize this variable, and this initializer is must. So just to demonstrate that, I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna print out the value age, and I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna build and run this. So now you guys can see we got a value of 10. We didn't had any errors. So now I'm gonna copy this and I just gonna declare the variable here, and I'm not gonna initialize it. I'm gonna initialize it in the next line, and if we do like this, then we're gonna get the error. So I'm gonna build and run. We get the error. I'm gonna open up the error logs. Now you guys can see error declaration of auto age has no initializer. That's why when you declare a variable with auto, you guys need to initialize that variable. And the next thing is, let's say in our program we have a function, for example int sum, and we have all the statements of this function, and this function has a return type int. So what we guys can do is we guys can specify this variable age with auto, and we can store the return value of this function sum in our variable age. So when this statement is encountered, the compiler is going to automatically deduce the type of this variable age. By looking at the return type of this function sum, the compiler will come to know that okay, this age variable is going to take or hold the value which is of type integers. That's why when you declare a variable with the keyword auto, then you need to initialize that variable when you declare it. And the next thing is you guys can use the additional qualifiers with the auto. Let's say you had a const variable, then you guys can use const with this auto, no problem. It's just similar to the way we were declaring the variables with any other data types. So this is it guys. This is about the automatic type deduction using the auto in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.